Okay guys, happy Sunday. I just want to be real here. You see brands like Dior, Fendi, Burberry, all those big brands. They constantly run adverts, like it's not even organic adverts, sponsored adverts with celebrities that the whole world knows, with Kim Jong-un or Kim Bo-young or Michael B. Jordan or whatsoever. They run sponsored, they pay huge amounts of money to run these adverts when they are still well known. They are billion-dollar fashion enterprises. Yet, they still run sponsored posts with celebrities. Now, what does this tell you as a fashion designer? I'm speaking to myself too here, but I want you to come into the enlightenment of everyone out there that these people are big brands, but they still tap into making adverts. And you're still trying to grow. I'm still trying to grow. And we're not able to keep on projecting or keep on doing something every day that the world will know us. Because it's not just enough to have skills. It's not just enough to have talents. It's not just enough to be connected. It matters. It matters who sees your work. It matters who rewards your work, and not just see it. I come here posting every day about, I don't, it was of recent. Subscribe to my YouTube. I've launched a course, this and that. And like, I don't know, nobody has said it, but maybe some people might feel unsettled that, okay, at times I do post myself or like doing crazy things, stupid things, because that's what TikTok wants, that will go viral and blah, blah, blah. So I do stuff like that, not because of I want to, or like it's fun for me, but I just do it. At times I love doing it, but at times I just push myself to do it because of, I'm not really a public, I don't know how to put this, like, I don't know how to really do all those kind of funny things in public. So they say carry your business on your head. What are you doing about it? You're camera shy, you can't do this, you can't do that. Bro or sis, there are people that are bigger than you and they are still running paid adverts to put their market in front of potential buyers every day, and you are not doing anything because of one limitation you impose on yourself. I don't know, I had this feeling to do this today, and this is a Bible verse for reference. This Bible verse, Galatians 6 verse 9. Read it and I hope it speaks to you. My name is Sammy Culture, and I recently launched my YouTube channel. I'm not going to be speaking like this there. I'm going to be dropping tutorials back to back. If you go to subscribe, if you don't subscribe, I'll keep on putting my CTA that you should subscribe, that I'm doing this, that I'm doing that, because how many billionaires who know me yet? And I'm not consistently talking about what I do or what I'm capable of. I'm very, very intelligent. It's not brag, but it's self-assurance or measuring my self-worth and letting you guys know that I'm highly capable of doing so many things, but I haven't really been speaking up about it because of one limitation I impose myself or the other. So do what with this information what you will. I remain your favorite fashion designer, Semi Culture. See you in the next video. Cheers! Follow my YouTube.